Start with my eyebrows. Please don't mind my voice. I'm sick. I know. Use my brow in 5. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your gal M.A.C. Thanks for coming back and dealing with me and watching me, and please tell me what you think. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, I forgot to do an intro. I know. I'm really bad at that, but this is my 22nd birthday look. Please enjoy it. There I am, just filling out my brows, make them pretty and bigger. But yeah, enjoy the video. Do this weird coloring in thing that I like to do, so that the front isn't like pitch foggy and black. I also like to just kind of draw a couple of hairs up here in the front. This again to just, you know, make for things to be done. Going in with my Pro.Conceal High Definition Concealer in Warm Honey. Just gonna sculpt the brows and put a base down for my shadow real quick. I know, brilliant, beautiful. So on this day, I actually planned like a little picnic with like my friends and my sisters. I mean, I really quite enjoyed it. It was like a cute little thing, and we just kind of sat, took some pictures. Like, I don't know, I guess it's nice to have people who love you and who celebrate you, and it's nice. And also who put up with you doing like full glam for a picnic. I'm not talking very much, I'm sick. Maybe I'll do like a voiceover to just kind of, I don't know, make it. I'm just gonna go around the top as well. Blend it outwards so that we don't fog up our already done brows. I've seen that like some people do their brows after foundation, but then also they do like their shadow, or they do, yeah, I don't know. Some people do their makeup in very like many different ways. It has me just a little bit shook because I don't know. This makes sense to me. So my assumption doesn't make sense to everyone else. But I guess also, you know what they say about assumptions. I set my lid with my fake little here naked form. So, we're going to use these now. This is color 301 and this is 297 from Inglot. I got them yesterday. How pretty, and they're both matte. I mean, look. Those are the colors. They don't really swatch all that well, if I'm being 100% honest. It's meh. But I think it's because it just kind of sticks to your finger. Blend that out. Apply it, I guess. Apply and then blend. I think that they come off much better, like with the brush. Just opinion. I think it went a little too high up. Holy shit. Guys, I literally picked up so little. In that outer corner with the red. Honestly, whenever I do like these videos, literally, you guys are just kind of going on a ride with me, because even I don't know what the plan is, how it's going to be done, what, like, it's all a big surprise at the end, hey? Like, for you and for me. Purple. I'm just gonna... I think I just really wanted to play with it all. Like, I saw them and I was like, I have to. Why not? You know? Because, like, I guess the stuff I already have, I've used like a lot, so I was like, new things. Play with the new things. Corner, darken that stitch with the purple. Bring it up a little to the crease, but not completely. That pink, that red. I don't know. We're hoping that that'll do something. Use my Pro.Concealer again to just kind of carve that out. Blend it there with my finger, just tapping it. I'm gonna go in with my must-haves from Essence in 05 Cotton Candy. Just gonna tap, tap, tap. We're not swiping here, not today. Just adding some more of that purple to just kind of, I guess, blend that like line of demarcation that you find when you do like a Catrice, because you can't just leave it. It never, or at least for me, it never stays nice that way. I'm gonna take this in 080 Please Gold the Line. I'm gonna throw some little bits of gold in there. With the Essence Super Precise, Long-Lasting and Waterproof Eyeliner. Yo guys, I used to be so bad at doing my eyeliner, and like everyone just let me do their eyeliner and I'm like, what? Just gonna do the things. Gonna color correct because your girl looks tired. Your girl is tired. Like, shoo, school, man. That's one hell of a thing. They don't tell you. They're like best years of your life. And then like completely forget to like mention the absolute and utter stress that comes with it. Like, wow. Use that, and it's going to do the things for me. Set the underneath of my ears. This has literally been like my OG go-to. It's wild. Going with my concealer now. This is literally just the part where I like paint my face and end up looking like I don't even know. It's actually really weird when you blend it out and it's like, phew, this is not my skin tone. I think I messed up. But then, you know, it comes together and you're like, whoo, go mass, pat on the back. You know, save myself. And with a sponge that is like dying, you're just gonna blend it. You know, I never used to know that you're actually supposed to wet these things before you use them. I used to just kind of go and I was like, oh, it's just taking all of my foundation, what's going on? And then I watched some YouTube videos and I was like, oh, I see. Okay. I'm gonna use my M.A.C foundation in 7. It's Matchmaster. Gonna mix it with some dish oil. Yeah, no, this was when I was winter me, because that foundation only really works well when I haven't been chilling in the sun. You know, I think my family thinks I'm like antisocial and stuff because I don't go places, and I'm kind of like, Like, shoot, I think I need friends and stuff, like, more than I have, because they all, like, bounced off to wherever it is they are, or all have, like, hectic school schedules right now. So it's, like, me in my bedroom, bothering them. Y'all guys, who needs friends, eh? Let me know. With my Inglot loose matte powder. Please just note how all the dimension in my face, it like ran away the minute I finished doing my foundation. It was like, oh hey, natural contour? No, you don't have that. Hey guys, if anyone knows like a really nice, like super affordable, like setting powder, please let a girl know, because I kind of want to try some new ones. Can I just say, excitement! This little angle brush to make it so cute, and I'm gonna do my young. Yeah, so this is the first time I'm using these brushes. I bought them years ago and they've just kind of been chilling as decoration. So yeah, excitement. I love playing with new things. New things make me happy because you get to figure out how they work and it's like, ooh. I'm gonna take this and the Essence powder again. I'm just gonna cut the contour a little. Yeah, so I'm sure you guys have realized that a girl cannot liquid contour. I tried once off camera and it was an absolute disaster. Probably try it again some other time when I'm feeling a bit, you know, braver than I am at present. So I mean the powder works pretty well, I think. Thoughts? Yep. It's that time again. I can open. Yep, there we go. Honestly speaking, this brush was actually really not nice for my highlight. Like it just didn't work as well as like the other fan brush I had, or like as well as other brushes I have tried. So I'm probably never going to use that as a highlight brush again, because what's happening? Nothing's happening. Okay, shame. Stuff is happening. It's just not happening, you know, as quickly and as, you know, the way I want it to happen. Lipstick for the day. Send my M.A.C. I have been wanting this lipstick for forever. Like my older sister had it and I was like, ooh, you know. So I went, I bought it, and it's my new baby. Like I love it. It's just, it's so nice, you know? You know when you just find something and you're like, yes. Forgot the lash. I know. What were you thinking, Mass? Yeah, no, I do this from time to time. I've realized I'll be like, ooh, I'm done. You know, no mascara, no lashes, because I didn't put mascara because I was gonna put lashes, and I just forget about the lashes at the end, and it's like, oh, and I gotta go do it at the end real quick. It's like, whew, saved. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the final look. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways, because it will make me happy. See you next time.